College Bound Entertainment. It started out as a mixtape for my university. I went to the University of Maryland Eastern Shore. And then it just, shout out to the Hawks. It started out as a mixtape, it kind of fell through, and then I revamped it. I built the business plan, it just came up to this, us being a college artist agency. And what we're doing is we're providing the artists, like you seen today, student artists and local artists, opportunity just to display their talents and to show people what they can do. In the midst, we want to help big businesses and small businesses, just like this, put on festivals and concerts like that, and just give people exposure. We want to cover a host of topics, all aspects of art and entertainment, and anyone who does any type of art and entertainment. I don't care if you cut grass, I don't care if you do ice sculptures, it's art. I cut hair, that's my art, so everything's art.
Stop, wait on it. I wish that I could stretch hours, wish I could flex with these powers. I need something new to devour, wish that the loud could be louder. Stop, wait on it. Everything I write is super, though I keep bells like a loser. Know I excel like computers, you niggas are stuck in the stupid. They say if you want it, then pray on it. You been on your job to stay on it. Believe that my karma got weight on it. You gon' know who I am, just wait on it. This lesson I'm stressing could be such a blessing. Been coolin' and patiently waiting, cause I'd have been told about diamonds and gold and making it Benjamin Franklin. See, I'm on the prowl for some digits right now, and I think about ran out of patience. Man, I'm the greatest, and yeah, man, I say this, I'm killing, get word to the plaintiff. You thinking you dope, you're the plainest. You set the bar.